video's gonna be a short one, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give the best equipment for every character in the game. Start with I don't know who we'll start with. Something I know is an ocular head is going up here to Railgunner. 100% damage boost for critical hits because of, well, which means weak spots for Railgunner. It's too good to pass on. Gnarled Whisper. Might not expect this to be up here, but it's going to multi. So you could say Opus, but I'm saying with Gnarled Whisper because with double rebar, you get a 10% health boost every time you swap to the Gnarled Spirit, so it gives you a lot of healing, which is really nice. So, next up, give Mando one. Commando's kind of special. He doesn't have much, but I can give Commando. Actually, I won't get to him yet, because we're giving Artificer the Molotov six-pack. Artificer wants to pick up those ignition tanks, and that will boost the damage of Molotov six-pack. And if you start picking up Molotov six-pack with Artificer, as long as you have ignition tanks, it'll be doing a lot of damage. Foreign Fruit. I like using Foreign Fruit on Rex. Maybe not like an easy pick, but if you're doing some damage Rex, you're gonna want some quick healing. Foreign Fruit is really good for that one. Another really good one. So Corax Opus. Who's getting Corax Opus? Could it be any of these? Who is it? I'm giving it Corax Opus. Tenji. Okay. This might not be good, but Corax Opus boosts the attack speed of all teammates. So you can boost the attack speed of your turrets. So I'm giving it Tenji. Chef. Right. So this is also not PC, but I'm gonna give Tricorn to somebody. I'm gonna give Tricorn to Seeker. Why is Seeker getting Tricorn? Well, it's because of this one item, the Planula. Normally, Planula is hard to get. Grandfather doesn't spawn very much, but if you have a Tricorn, you can almost always have a Grandparrot spawn on stage 5 as long as it's Sky Meadows and use a Tricorn to get that Planula. Why is Planula good on Seeker? Seeker shift to self-damage, so if you have a Planula, Propulsion Armor, and Razor Wire, doing a lot. Bandit. So, this one gets hard, because nothing obvious now. Not that many left. So, I'm saying there's gonna be a lot of people, but I'm gonna give out Cube. Right? Now, you might be wondering, why am I giving Cube to somebody? I'm giving Cube to Void Fiend. Might be very confusing, but Void Fiend, M1 Corrupted, goes through enemies, so you can hit a lot of people. It's just a really nice. You can get people off of you, enemies off of you, so. Bandits. Bandit's a good choice. Buzzsaw's going to Bandit. Bandit's passive does extra damage from behind, so you can use your mobility scope to get behind them, hit them with Buzzsaw. Say they won't be surviving that. I still have a couple left, so speed through this. Loader. Loader is going to be getting the elephant. Why is Loader getting the elephant? Because Flutter jumps on Mithrix, he'll definitely be hit. But with elephant, that armor, you will be doing lots of damage, not taking much. I'm going to give the backup to Captain. Captain's passive makes nanobots that shoot down projectiles, and it works on drones. So if you have the backup drone parts, maybe some empathy cores on there, you've got a lot of drones just doing stuff for you. Not that many left. So Chef. Might be mistaken with this one, but Chef's passive gives you a healing boost on kill of an enemy if you have cooked them. I don't know if Forgive Me Please does that, but I think so. I'd be wrong though. Which that would be kind of stupid if I was, but yeah. Just gotta take the risks. Forgive Me Please to Chef. Heretic is going to be getting. Actually, not yet. So, False Sun is actually getting a void. I mean, not a void. Hellfire Tincture. I know it's a learn item, but it's equipment pretty much. Because the high health you'll be having as False Sun, you'll be doing a lot of damage with Hellfire Tincture. Alright. We have Royal Capacitor to Mercenary. Mercenary gets Royal Capacitor because he's good with multiple targets, but not really good with one. So Royal Capacitor is big single target damage he can use very well because he needs it. Now I'm going to give the Supermassive Leech to Heretic. It's good because Heretic takes damage every time. Supermassive Leech can just heal up Heretic, which is really nice when Mithric takes away all your items and you'll start taking that damage. I'm not giving any with Recycler because it's always good for everybody. Same with Seed of Life and Vase. Except I'm going to give Vase to Commando. Because Commando needs good mobility. Tactical Roll is terrible. Tactical's like the better version. Can't really get him anymore. So he needs that mobility. Acrid. We're going to give Acrid the Gummy. Because if Acrid has this Gummy, well, he's going to be doing lots and lots. There's going to be 2 Acrid stacking poison on everybody on the map. It's going to be really good. Finally, Huntress. We will be getting the... I don't know. Huntress will get the... I don't know. Egg. Why? Because you want to be using Triple Blink as Huntress. But Triple Blink removes your ability to go up, so Volcanic Egg can keep that ability, which is really nice. It's the list. If you want to look at all of them here, Commando, Eccentric Space Huntress, Egg, Engineer, Grex Opus, Mercenary, Royal Capacitor, X, Foreign Fruit, Multi, Harold Woods Rear Captain is the backup. Hagrid is the Goobo Jr. Loader is the Jade Elfin. Falstone is the Hellfire Tincture. Railgunner is the Ocular HUD. Void Fiend is the Black Hole Cube thing. Primordial Cube. Seeker is Trophy Hunter's Tricorn. Chef is the Forgive Me Please. Heretic is the Supermassive Leech Artificer. Six Pack is the Six-Pack Molotov. And Bandit is the Buzzsaw. If you have any suggestions, make sure to leave them up in the chat comments. Because, I know some of these would be a little controversial with Artificer and Seeker and Chef, but just let me know in the comments.